Yeah. Now what you doing down there? Yeah. Stand up. Here comes Mama. Yeah, stand up. There you go. Mama's coming home. Where are you going to go? Where's Mama going to be? Okay, she closes the door. You know. That's right. Yeah. That's where Mama will be. Uh-huh. Go get her. Go get her.
That's my baby.
Go get her.
Hi, little cute boy.
Go get her.
You're such a big boy.
Go get her.
You're such a big boy. Yeah.
You coming over here now?
Look at you. Big claps.